Hey, my loves, welcome back to my channel. It's Lily L, and today we're talking about something every feminine woman goes through, but rarely admits out loud. The season where you feel off, the season where everything feels tired, disappointing, discouraged, and you don't feel like you. Soft Girl Glow Up. How to rebuild your feminine energy after a disappointing season. Well, this video is your Soft Girl Glow Up reset. I'm going to walk you through how to rebuild your feminine energy after a disappointing season, emotionally, mentally, spiritually, physically, and financially. Grab a journal, sit back, and let's get into it. So, step one, accept your season with grace. Soft girls don't force themselves to perform when they are drained. The first step is acceptance. Say to yourself, I'm allowed to pause, I'm allowed to heal, I am allowed to reset. Now, I am taking my own advice as well, ladies. Okay. Before I sat down here, I've already hopped on TikTok. I've already went to work, and I was about to work on my online shop. And I said, "Oh my goodness, it's like literally almost midnight." And I'm like, but I just have to delegate some stuff for the next day, and that's okay. Remember, glow ups don't start from pressure, they start from softness. This is where you stop judging yourself, you stop comparing yourself, and stop rushing your own journey. Ask yourself. Now, this is something you could put in your journal as well. What disappointed me recently? Hmm. What did that situation teach me? Hmm. What am I ready to release? Step two, reconnect with your feminine energy. When you are feeling or becoming overwhelmed, hustling, or giving too much, feminine energy will drop. To rebuild it, you need softness and sensory pleasure. So try a soft morning routine. Try lighting a candle or listening to feminine music, getting ready slowly, lotioning, body oiling, perfume, earrings, okay? And wear soft fabrics, okay? And colors. Feminine energy returns when you stop operating like a machine and start treating yourself like a woman again. Step three, remove what drains you. I repeat, remove what drains you. There's always something draining you, a person, a habit, a schedule, a mindset. Soft girls glow when they subtract and not add. So ask yourself, Who has been taking more than they give? What habits have been making me so tired? What expectations am I carrying that don't belong to me? Sometimes you have to unfollow people, disconnect from chaos, or stop responding immediately. Peace is a boundary. Step 4, rebuild your self worth. What does self worth mean to you? When you wake up, do you look in the mirror and do you say, I'm beautiful? Speak positive affirmations and try to think positive thoughts in a world full of negativity. Try mirror affirmations, dressing nicely, even when you're in the house. Okay, I know for me, some days I work from home and I try to get myself into that feminine energy, get myself dressing nice so that way, you know the term when you look good, you feel good? Yeah, okay? So try to put that into your practice. Now, you don't have to wear all your nice things, but I mean, hey, what are you saving those outfits for, sis? Put it on, okay? Doing a soft girl beauty reset, hair, nails, skincare, okay? Very key, very important. Buying yourself flowers, hallelujah, okay? And saying no gracefully, okay? Self worth increases when you treat yourself like you are the prize. And guess what? You are. Hello. Step 5, realign with your purpose. A soft girl glow up isn't just about beauty, it's about alignment. So you will want to ask yourself, what does my higher self want? What habits does she have? What does she no longer entertain? And what kind of lifestyle is she creating? These are some questions that you will want to ask yourself to get yourself into that alignment. Okay? First, it all starts with mindset. Okay? If I believe I'm ugly, I'm going to dress ugly, I'm going to let people talk to me ugly, I'm going to feel ugly, stuff like that. Okay, see yourself as the queen and the goddess you are. I know we walk around and we see some people and we say, oh my goodness, why not me? Oh my goodness, what made this guy do all of this stuff for this girl? Well, first we have to put it into ourselves. Okay, happiness starts with us. Okay, we were brought into this world by ourselves and we will leave by ourselves. Okay, even twins, they have to take out one baby at a time. All right. So start doing small things your future self would say thank you for. Step 6, step back into your soft era. Now, you ease back into your feminine energy. What does that mean? What does that look like? Move slower, speak softer, protect your peace. Trust that what's meant for you will find you. Okay? Do not over explain. Do not over give. Do not chase anything. We are ladies and we attract. Okay, we are on the receiving end of things. Thank goodness. Clock it. Okay, per. When you start living like this, peaceful, aligned, and graceful, people feel your glow without you even saying a word. Well, thank you so much for watching, my loves. If this video has helped you, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. And remember, your soft girl glow up isn't about perfection. It's about peace, it's about healing, and it's about becoming the most feminine version of you. Have a good one, lovies, and take care. Mwah.